today we're about to set up a 3D printer. Now, it's been years coming, trying to get to this stage. I've been talking about 3D printer for such a long time, and I've tried to go around different institutions in Nigeria, telling people of the potentials of 3D printing, and also talking of how it would be a part of major development, especially the so-called Industry 4.0 that's past the stage of information, and now we have artificial intelligence, we have additive manufacturing, which is also 3D printing. So we're going to assemble one right now. I don't know how long it will take, but I've assembled it before, but it's been a while, so I'm going to assemble one right now. So this is a tips for buyers, and this is what comes in the pack. Okay, this is what comes in the pack. So I've used this. So this is for the track, more like the track of this hose, and this is the base. It's sticky. Yeah, it's a little bit sticky so that your filament can stay on this. I don't know why this came out. Okay. These are the screws. And all the nuts. This is the filament. This is the filament. This is basically what we use to print things. This is quite pricey anyway. I bought an extra one. I bought an extra one just in case. Alright? Filament. And this is the base. This is the print head. This is what controls the flow of the filament. This is for laser printing. It's for laser printing. So you see danger. So in case you want to design something using laser technology, you can use this to do that. This is what guides the printer head. This guides this. This is what guides the printer head. Okay. Now I did some print work. This is some of the print job I did time ago. I did some print jobs here. So this is what it looks like after the printing is done. It's quite dense. And this was when I was still learning how to calibrate. This is what stands on the base. Okay. Like three of them. And it goes up above. Push up. Back. We have this sorted out for all of it. Now we want to attach this here. We're gonna attach it from the inside. Same thing we did here. You have to repeat the same process. So here you can see this hole here. This hole, that's where we're going to put the filament, okay? But you must put it here first. See the arrow, which means it comes from this point in here. This is what uses this is what it is going to tell the machine that okay, filament is finished if filament is exhausted, okay? stop the point. No, I'm sorry. Okay. So I basically spent most of yesterday trying to set up the 3D printer, and it wasn't turning on. Of course, I just need to do some checks around it and see how far we can go with that. All right. So hopefully we'll be able to get it running today, and let's see what we can do with it. So basically there are three motors here. This is one. This is one. If you can see that, this is one. This is two, and this is the third one. Okay. So those are the motors that control the vertical motion of the printer, right? And then you have the relay. This is the relay right here. You have this is where you have the power switch. Now the whole control, what happens here is you have this display panel, and this is what you use to also control this device. Let me zoom in a bit. This is the main control board. This is the main board, and this is where all the programming happens. Okay. This is where you can connect this to your computer via USB cable. And also this, you can also connect here you can also connect, at this point you can connect the laser head for printing of laser or whatever, laser designs and all that. So that's basically what's here. It's nothing complex, and you have some connecting points also. So that's basically most of it. Okay. So I think this should work. So we're going to start it right now. It should work. Okay. Okay. So it's on. So what we want to do first is to calibrate this. So when you want to calibrate, you basically take a sheet of A4 paper, okay, and then you place it in between on the print bed. So your thickness, you have to set up your thickness to be just this thickness. This is 1 millimeter, right? Okay. Okay, so try to pull this while we reduce the height, okay? So okay, that's it. There's a Z height. Now we escape. And come up. Okay. So I'm also going to calibrate the other axis, the 3 points, to get the plane of the surface, so that when we begin to print, we will not have issues. It's going to take a while, but it should not be more than 5 minutes. Okay. So that's that for setting it up. We're gonna be printing some parts very soon. So, well, it's okay. It's well. So anyway, thanks for watching and thanks for coming this far. Hopefully, by the grace of God, we'll be going to different institutions and organizing training for people to learn about this and how to operate this, and also how to design using the CAD softwares. So in no time they could get their head around this and learn how to do this, and in the future they can also learn to use even the complicated ones, such as the different other types of 3D printing. Okay, all right then, safe.